Alright, I'm ready to go again. Hey, yeah, it's almost the same color as the car. You like that one?
Raspberry cigarette.
$31,000.
Yep.
What? Whoa, that's a big doggy, huh? I wonder if his name's Marmaduke.
Where?
Elvis is in there. Is it?
Shannon car show today. It's coming down to Workers Hall, Michigan. And coming down to all these cars. Great car show that we have here today. Glad the weather started to cooperate. So you guys can get out of your houses and they can bring those cars down here. We'll see you another point tonight. I've had, like you have some intimidated down at the junction in Newtown. And the Community Grocery is west of downtown on Main Street. Well, I thank guys already for actually being this year's gold record label. Sponsor donating $12,000 for really good fun here. Hey, just to offer everybody ballots. All ballots must be in by 1 p.m. All ballots must be in by 1 p.m. So please start making your way down here at the manufacturing to get those ballots in. Street or back and forth Main Street, $3 by wristband. Get you up and down the street. You'll have to walk all the way down here. Come down, check out the Hard Rock. Hey, you can buy ice cream and pond water down here as well for $1.
Yeah.
All the drug prizes, the numbers have been drawn. The big white bird sitting right next to me underneath the beer head. So come on down here. 186, 156, 167, 83, 75, 198, and so on. So many numbers out here. Come down, check out the board, see if you win a prize. Most of you get better selection of prizes. So come on down, check out the board. And then number comes here right is proud of Shannon. He's equipment as well. As usual, this week's event, we're charging annual form and Shannon Scholarship Fund. All other non-profit organizations. All right, so with those People's Choice ballots in, we need them down here by 1 p.m. Well, it's late day start, so we just extended the time a little bit longer. Enjoy the car show, everybody, and the music. And we'll see you down here for the lunch show at 3 p.m. Come down here in that door. Come on down and enjoy the time. It's plenty of room. And hey, get a little shade down here as well.
Yeah.
Right on there, I won't believe it. You don't get beat.
huh?
Alright, there's some cool chairs spot to the beer tent. So come on down here and check out these chairs. They were made by the high school industrial arts class. There's a silent auction right now for these chairs. Come on down, check the whiteboard to see if you want a prize on the exhibitors. And also, for those of you out there just walking around, other guests, come on down here as well. Silent auction and all proceeds will go to the Shannon Scholarship Fund. Come down, these things are cool. They're like a guitar.
Already saw some stuff like that.
Yeah, so I brought my wallet, but then I forgot there's nothing in it. No, a dollar on that.
Oh, there's the dog. Hello. Come here. You're a big one.
We'll have to get line if we're going to get some time.
Huh?
Pretty good on that.
Holy cow.
Where that side, you go into stuff and then
Yeah, ain't gonna break.
you wouldn't break that.
This thing would be fun. 4-speed. I don't know if this. I think this might be a replica of it. That truck's cool. I'd drive that to work. I bet it'd be better than that old Ford I used to have.
Look at her phone.
Yeah, small block 350.
I always wonder what turbo fire meant.
Want to put into it? I think it's for a Mustang.
Okay.
bring them to a lot of car shows, don't you? You got to.
I don't live here. I live in Traverse City, so.
Thank you.